Also, new voter ID requirements are set to take effect next year, and the State Board of Elections is holding public hearings to get input from residents. WNCN's Carly Griffith joins us live at a public meeting taking place right now at the Board of Elections office. Good evening, Carly.
Good evening, Sean. State officials are using these public hearings to get insight from residents on how they want this new law to be implemented. Now, as part of the new law, board officials were tasked with creating rules for how the law would be enforced. They now want to get input on a set of proposed rules. Of course, this law has been challenged multiple times. Some critics still say there are other ways to discourage voter fraud rather than having to provide a form of photo ID. Officials tonight made it clear, though, that this was not a public hearing on whether the law should exist, but on how it should be implemented. Some of the residents we heard from were concerned about name variations on IDs and different addresses. Take a listen.
I was sure that my voter ID was in agreement with the new law regarding voter identification, but I was wrong. Last week, out of curiosity, I checked to see if the name on my driver's license agreed with the name on my voter registration. It does not.
To my 101-year-old dad, who is a very good mind, but doesn't have a photo ID. And he's having to really endure unreasonable and totally unnecessary roadblocks to even get a photo ID.
Again, this ID law goes into effect next year. The law stipulates that a voter will need a photo ID in the form of a driver's license, U.S. passport, a military or veteran's ID, or an ID card that will be provided to you for free by the DMV. Now, there will be 8 more of these meetings over the next couple of weeks. The one here tonight goes until 7 p.m. if you'd like to come out, or you can leave your comment in a call or an email to the State Board of Elections. We have all that information. We will have the information later this evening at WNCN.com. Sean?
All right, Carly Griffith reporting live tonight. Carly, thank you.
A beloved